kitchen. We are making the most perfect side dish ever today. Creamed spinach. If you love steakhouses like I do, you know that when you have to get your sides, you gotta get some creamed spinach. I mean, it is so decadent, so flavorful, so creamy. It's like absolute heaven. It's the only way I want to eat all my vegetables from now on. So I'm gonna show you how to make it absolutely delicious, completely flavorful, and super easy. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna work on the spinach. I've got frozen spinach here that I've thawed out, and then I'm going to use paper towels to actually get some of that moisture out because we wanna really dry this a bit more. Then I'll just wrap this up, get this really good. Block this out as much as possible, y'all. You see all that moisture? We gotta get rid of that. So now while my spinach is getting a bit drier, I'm gonna start in my skillet over here. I'm gonna add some butter because we gotta have butter to start creamed spinach, y'all. And I'm gonna place this over medium heat. So now that our butter is melted, I'm gonna add in some finely chopped onion and I'm gonna let that get pretty tender. And give that about 3-4 minutes. You want to get that nice and tender, get a tiny bit of color on it before we add in our garlic. Now I'm adding in my garlic, and you do not want to cook this long. This will only cook for about maybe 20-30 seconds, and then we'll keep going. You don't want to burn this. It's so fragrant. Oh my gosh, I love garlic so much. Okay, now I'm adding in some flour as a thickener, and this is going to go right into our garlic and our onions. We want to make like a nice thick paste here. And now I'm going to add in some half and half. We're gonna take that spinach that we spent so much time drying, like 20 million pieces of paper towel, yes. That package that you had earlier, we're gonna undo all of that. And we're gonna put that right into our skillet. It's pretty dry now. All right, y'all, it's the moment of truth. Big old heaping bowl of creamed spinach just for me. I'm gonna probably eat all of that in the skillet too, but don't worry about that. We'll see how it tastes. Those spices all come together beautifully. That hint of nutmeg, it really just completely just takes this to another level. And there's just a nice amount of spice. And y'all, the cheesiness, the half and half, it just makes this incredibly creamy. This is better than any side dish you will get at any steakhouse, okay? Mark my words, you heard it here first. You can quote me on that. I stand by it. It's amazing. Make sure you try it. See you next time.
Make sure you head to grandbaby-cakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.